this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐴𝐷𝐼𝐼𝐼𝐼.com. I'm just making a video of this nice little Hijet that we've got. This one's on its way to the States very shortly. It's a nice low mileage example, clean and tidy. You can see in the tray's been used a little bit, but nothing too serious. It's a four-wheel drive. It's a manual 5-speed transmission, 660cc. It's got the drop sides on, so you can get this, all these three drop sides down very easily. I'm doing it one-handed. I hope it will work now I'm doing this. There we go. Drop those off, and you can load that with a forklift truck. You go around here, see the seats on this side, nice and clean. Dashboard all in good condition. Under here, nice little simple 660cc petrol engine, very reliable, smooth. You can see it's got air conditioning and a four-wheel drive button. I'll just go around the other side, start the engine and demonstrate that. So what you'll notice looking in here is this one has got air conditioning. There's the aircon pump, alternator, the normal belts in there. It's also got the electric power steering, which is fantastic. Makes it very easy to drive this car. Engine started now, it's very quiet, and you can switch the four-wheel drive on using that button there. Four-wheel drive's on, turn it off again, no problem. Turn that on, you can hear the revs pick up and the aircon blows nice and cold. If you compare this with a UTV that you'd normally buy in America, it won't have aircon, it won't have power steering. This has got a completely enclosed cabin, so you can keep cool, keep warm, keep dry, and not get stuck. Hopefully, if you're using four-wheel drive, you put some bigger wheels and tyres on, as a lot of people like to do. It's a very capable little vehicle as well. So this one's going to be on its way soon. Check out our website if you'd like to buy this one on its own or become a distributor in the US for us. Have a look at 𝐷𝐼𝐼𝐼.com, and there's plenty of information on there. Thank you very much for watching.